Welcome back to Automation Masters. This is a Master Pro, and today we're looking at Sumari trading all different instruments. Right now, we have been getting into the Frankfurt London market session open, and it's been doing great things. And right now, I'm looking at gold. This is Zawi USD. And then you'll notice that when the market was going up with this blue line that's moving going up, it shows that we had bought around that area, and then we caught that uptrend up until it reached that high over there. You'll notice that this is a significant reversal area, and the board held until we reached that area over there. And then now once it saw that the market was reversing after this indecision doji, what did it do? It started to sell, and then it sold over there, and it has been shooting all the way down. And as you can see here, there was a very significant trend line, but it noticed that there's a very great probability of a sell. Then it started selling. So now to see that this was automatically executed, you'll notice there's an arrow over there that shows that the market started selling from that area. And as you can see also over here, it says sell, and then we've been selling going down like that. And if you can also check, you'll always see a smiley face over there showcasing that this is being executed automatically. The board is doing what I call auto trading. As you can see there, it's written auto trading. That is how you can follow in seeing that all of these trades were automatically executed. It's powerful. Gold, my gold. Sumari, bringing me my money. That's what I'm talking about. And then let us quickly check USD CAD. USD CAD has been moving, as you can see over here. It noted these double touches. Remember, the board Sumari is using price action. So after those two touches, indecision doji, as the market was starting to lift, we got a lift off. Boom! Early entry, baby. This is a sniper entry, and it can only happen with Sumari. Sumari trading gold, Sumari trading currencies. And then it started buying on the significant resistance. It did not get confused, because sometimes trading manually you would have said first, second, and then you would have thought that third touch, fourth touch, blah blah blah, you know. So here it noticed that this level was going to be broken. It got broken, and then it kept on holding. Right now the market is around there, and then as soon as the market starts reversing, and it through its AI, it is picking that it's a very high probability to sell. It will then start to sell with that reversal. There was USD CAD, and then quickly checking at AUD NZD from the start of the Frankfurt London market session. It started selling over there, and as it sold over there, it got here. It then saw that there was a probability of buying, and then after it had bought, it saw that nope, that buy was not a significant buy, and then it started to sell. As you can see there, it started to sell, then it sold, got to this level, it then picked some buying probabilities, it bought, but it saw that the market was not going to hold the buy longer, and then it continued to sell as it is holding this breakout. There's a lot of, you know, when we say fake outs, so on this one AUD NZD, it was catching those. But what I like is that immediately where it finds an area of significance where the market is going to be doing a continuation, this is where market makers normally get human traders. You know, when you're still trading for yourself, you always would buy at a significant level, thinking that the level is going to hold. Like looking at this area over here, this is a significant area of support, and if you have seen an indecision, you think that the market is ready to go bullish, you'd buy and hold. It breaks a level and you delay to buy because you keep on seeing the market showing some form of signs of being bullish. But in this case, the board can be able to quickly see when the market is turning, and then it starts to act accordingly. So right now we are in on this sell. We'll see how it continues to go. Quickly checking on DE30. Ooh, DE30. We left this trading overnight during the Asian session. There were a lot of trades during the Asian session, up and down, up and down. The market was caught in a range. You can see this range clearly from this low and that high over there. Then coming into the Frankfurt session, London market opened, the market started performing, then the bot started executing a couple of trades. We were selling, buying, and then up until we got to this London market session open. Then we did get some good trades over here. It started to sell over there. It saw that the sell was not materializing. We then bought over there. Then the bot got over there. It started seeing a resistant level over there. It started to sell, but it saw that the sell was not going to materialize. It then continued to buy. Then right now we are holding this buy, and it's been a very hectic session looking at the Asian session, getting into the London market session open. Now what I like about the board is the fact that every single time the market starts to trend, it will also start to execute powerful trade as well. Now let us quickly check what did it do with USA 30. USA 30 also let it run overnight. It was trading, moving up nicely with the market as it was moving overnight, and then getting into the Frankfurt session, it was also still moving. Now here during the London Open, it has not moved significantly. It is currently caught into this range. We'll see when will it literally start breaking the range. It's caught on this trend line and this trend line at the bottom, the support trend line and resistant trend line. So it looks like it is starting to break over there. It has now initiated a buy. If it holds, it's going to continue to hold it all the way to the top. But if it reverses, it will start to sell until either this low or that high is broken. So we'll keep an eye on USA 30 to see how it continues to perform. We're showing you because over here, as you can see, the market tends to correct itself. Whenever the market is correcting itself, you will be able to see some buy and sell trades up until we get a trade that's going to break a trend and run smoothly with the bot. Now let us quickly check US Tech. US Tech has been running with all the different trades. We let it run over the Asian session. It sold, went all the way down to these areas over there, then started buying from this trend line at the bottom, and then over there it started to sell because of that resistant level over there, and then it saw that it was being broken. Then this level over here from the beneath, it was a resistant level, and then it broke it. As soon as it became support, we started buying. Boom! This was a good, beautiful trade, my man. US Tech, Nasdaq, a beautiful trade that we got from this level all the way to this high over here. Right now I see it's started picking this area as a resistant level. And then right now the market started to sell, but as soon as it sees this as a continuation, it's gonna automatically close the sell and execute a continuation buy. How beautiful is this? The trading software, trading robot that is able to trade on your behalf. You got to find a tool that is able to make money in your sleep. So this is the tool that we are trading with. It's Sumari, baby. Sumari AutoTrader Robot has arrived, and we're doing crazy things with that. We're doing crazy things with it. What did I tell you about this DE30? DE30, the buy that we were looking into, we had just closed automatically while I was busy doing a presentation, blah blah blah, busy talking. Boom! It picked a sell. Sniper entry moves around this level of significance. The selling area over there started to sell, just smooth like that. Sniper entry, boom, it sold. That is the 830 euro AUD. It's continuing with that sell. USD CAD now, okay, USD CAD we had bought from that area. It is picking that now. There is a sell that's starting to come from this area of significance. That's why it is selling over there. So we'll see whether the sell will continue to drop, or if it then starts to buy, it will immediately close the sell and start to buy. Look at how smooth this upward movement, bullish movement was. You didn't need to lift a finger. It's full automation, baby. It's time to trade. Little hell the center there. This is what we're talking about. Gold is still holding the sell. So double touches, but it is not yet buying around this level, still holding the sell. It sees that there is a significant move, so it can be a good continuation to drop. So we'll see how it moves, but if it sees that this is now a start of a new dominant buying momentum, it will then close the sell and execute a buy. But if it's not, it's going to continue to hold this trade until it releases all the juice. This is the London market session open on the 27th of March. It is a Wednesday. A lot of people have not even opened a single trade. You're still trying to draw, you're still trying to analyze the market. When are you going to land? The era of human trading, manual trading, is gone. Let us let the bots do the hard things. It's time that the machines take us through this era of automation. It is not yet perfect, but I can assure you one thing. 5 years from now, we're gonna be in the best automation era. Right now, we are the frontiers of this automation industry. We are pioneering this movement, and as the name of the company says, we are the automation masters. We are definitely in this era ushering powerful tools that are taking us to the next level of automation. What I love about the Sumari AutoTrader Robot is the fact that it trades all instruments. It trades your gold, it trades your currencies, it trades your indices as well. How powerful is that? Look at this. Look at this. With this one drop, you know that you've paid your rent, or you've paid your bond, or you've paid your car installment for the month. You don't need to wait for NFP. Just plug and play with the Sumari AutoTrader Robot. Boom! You just let the market move in our favor, baby. It's time to trade. Little Khele the Senteteo.
I got millions and I put my city on top. G.O.D. walking with me, so I'm never gon' flop. Keys to the Lamborghini, got the opposition hating on me. It's okay, I leave him in the dust 6 feet deep. Pocket chicken drown in them. Hit the gym, so you know I'm about to flex on them. Chess game, so I'm coming for the crown on them.